Alright, you guys, here's another box break from Bigballin501. Here's the teams in case you missed or forgot what you guys had. Alright, and the current time right now is 9:41, February 13th. We get to do this a little early today since everybody paid. So, here we go. Here's our sealed box. Alright. Empty box. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. So for this, just going to show the hit since it makes it a little quicker. Be here forever if I showed every single card. Alright. So for the first card, Brett Lowry for the Blue Jays. Elliott Johnson for the Rays. Chipper Jones, Chasing History. Roberto Clemente, Cut to the Chase. Jonathan Papelbon, Calling Card. Jim Rice Mini. Okay. Matt Kemp. Chris Sale for the White Sox, Chasing the Dream. Alright, Wade Davis for the Rays, Emerald Foil. Roy Halladay, Chasing History. Carlos Gonzalez, Cut to the Chase. And Mark Teixeira, Mini Card. Alright, Mike Moustakas, Chasing the Dream. Matt Carpenter, Emerald Foil. Evan Longoria, Chasing History. Alright, The Greats, Nolan Ryan. Pablo Sandoval, Calling Card. Anthony Rizzo, Mini. Alright. Justin Maxwell. Matt Moore for the Rays. Anthony Bass for the Padres. A-Rod for the Yankees. Prince Fielder, Mini Card. Alright, Chris Coughlin for the Marlins. Drew Smiley for the Tigers. Jose Contreras for the Phillies. Roberto Clemente, Pirates. Jared Weaver, mini card. And what do we have here? Matt Kemp, chasing history with a piece of his jersey. There you go. Alright, Trevor Bauer for the Diamondbacks. Jonathan Neese, Emerald Foil. Griffey, chasing history. Ernie Banks for the Cubs, one of the greats. Aroldis Chapman, calling card. And Alex Rodriguez, mini card. Jerry Hairston, Jacob Turner for the Marlins, Lucas Harrell, Emerald Foil, Cal Ripken Jr., Matt Holliday, let's see, autograph of Jared Parker. Alright, Yonder Alonso for the Padres. Joe Blanton for the Dodgers. Mariano Rivera. Brett Lawrie, cut to the chase. Albert Pujols calling card. And Dustin Pedroia, mini card. Will Middlebrooks, Johan Santana, John Carlos Stanton. What do we have here? Harmon Killebrew. Let's see here. This looks like the commemorative MVP trophy. There we go. And a mini card of Cliff Lee. Last pack. Daniel Murphy for the Mets. Hanley Ramirez for the Dodgers. Frank Robinson for the Orioles. Brandon Phillips for the Reds. And a Dan Heron mini. Alright, that just about does it, guys. Congratulations to those of you who got something. If not, I do have more box breaks coming up, so just be on the lookout for those. Thanks, guys.